Welcome to this video on whether we've reached peak performance in smartphones. For years, the spec sheet defined a flagship phone, but is that still the case? Online debates highlight that modern phone chips are achieving single-core benchmarks that beat desktop CPUs. The real question is, how long can this performance be sustained and utilized by real-world software? Raw benchmark numbers are no longer the whole story. The spec sheet is a relic. User experience is the new benchmark. Despite powerful components, users report issues like lag, throttling, and poor battery life. A new definition of flagship is necessary to solve these core problems. The 2025 flagship is defined by three core pillars: extreme performance, reimagined, focusing on sustained, lag-free operation; intelligent endurance, combining battery capacity with AI-powered management; and pro-grade creation, integrating professional sensors with powerful AI engines for pristine media. We will examine the OnePlus 15, a device engineered around this new philosophy. It represents a masterclass in how integrated hardware and intelligent software redefine the user experience. Pillar 1 focuses on performance as a complete system, targeting sustained, not just peak, benchmarks. The tri-chip architecture includes the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a dedicated OP gaming core, and specialized chips for Wi-Fi and touch response, all cooled by a 360-degree cryovelocity system. The display is where performance becomes tangible. The 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED panel offers infinite contrast and faster response time. LTPO technology dynamically adjusts the refresh rate from 165 Hz down to 1 Hz, linking high-performance visuals to battery endurance. Pillar 2 establishes a new industry benchmark for endurance. The OnePlus 15 features a massive 7,300 mAh silicon-carbon battery, lasting over 45 hours in tests. This is coupled with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging speeds. The endurance is powered by an AI brain that optimizes the battery. It identifies usage patterns, manages app activity, optimizes system settings, and provides adaptive charging to maximize every milliamp hour silently. Pillar 3 is pro-grade creation, powered by computational photography. The device features a versatile triple 50 megapixels camera array and the Detail Max engine for AI optimization. A key breakthrough is Android's first 4K 120 FPS Dolby Vision video capture. The Plus-Mind OI, integrated with Google's Gemini, acts as the central nervous system. It transforms the phone into a proactive assistant, providing a digital memory system, personalized suggestions, and system-wide integration for features like AI recording and portrait enhancement. In the 2025 flagship arena, the OnePlus 15 carves a unique position as the endurance champion, balancing class-leading battery life and performance. It stacks up against rivals like the Google Pixel 10, the Software Purist, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the premium all-rounder. A head-to-head comparison shows the OnePlus 15 leading in processor clock speed, battery capacity, and wired charging speed. The focus remains on delivering superior hardware and software integration for a refined user experience. The macro trend is clear. The system is now the product. The key advantage lies in tight hardware and software integration. The future of mobile innovation is in engineering a seamless, intelligent, and holistic system that puts user experience first. The 2025 flagship is defined by sustained performance, unprecedented endurance, and pro-grade optics powered by AI. The ultimate goal is no longer to win a benchmark, but to deliver an empowering experience that lasts. The new standard is set: power on, limits off.